Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss and take a close look at Matchbox 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. This is not something that I would usually get, but I've gotten it because I've gotten requests, and this is a new casting for 2025, so let's take a close look. First, let's take a look at the card. Card here has the art of the car itself, and these leaves has misdirected me the first time I take a look at this box, and I thought it's like rust or otherwise a defect of the printing, but no, this is actually just the art. It has leaves like flying over it. Yeah, looks to be very accurate to the real car, not the casting. Yeah, and here we get to see the 2025 new casting logo and the Cadillac logo. And at the back here, we get to see the name of the car and 14 out of 125 and the licensing detail. It is a GM officially licensed product. Also see the manufacturing date here. Yep. Then we take a look at the car itself. Yeah, the first impression when I unboxed it is like, this is just traffic. I there's no better word to describe it. It's not like special. It's not bad. It's not like anything that's like out of the ordinary. Honestly, if you like buff this up and like have this real car and just sit in traffic, you will not be any you will not stand out at all. You just blend right in. So the perfect getaway car, I guess. That's a story you can tell. Yeah, let's take a look at the front. These two LED strips, these two are what's supposed to be LED strips, so the lights are not like on this side, which confused me. There's a big Cadillac logo and some vents there. This is a full electric car, so I don't know what the vents are doing. I guess like battery pack cooling. Something I have to note here is that Matchbox wheels are so damn good compared to Hot Wheels, and they just look more realistic, especially with these little like nubbins on the side here. This looks really good. It does have the like side mirrors. Yeah, pretty good. The paint is sort of semi-gloss. It's not matte, nor is it full gloss. It's just like something in between, which I find it's hard to describe. You kind of have to take a look at it yourself. And yeah, there's no any design on the side here. At the back, we get to see Lyriq, Cadillac, the Cadillac logo, and like these taillight detailing. So the detailing side is pretty good on this car. I'm having a hard trouble seeing that. So it seems like a 200E or something like that on the side, middle there. Yeah, and yeah, I can see this side, just more of like nothing special. At the top, we see a big hunk of glass. I feel like this design language is very, very common in electric vehicles. Started with like the Tesla. So like it's one big piece of glass. Looking on the inside, it does have like pretty good detailing. And I was looking for some Easter eggs, but there doesn't seem to be any because it is a new car. This real car is made in 2024, so the production of this toy car might have exceeded the production of the real car, given the way car sales have been going down recently. Yeah, take a look at the bottom here. See the name of the car, some codes, and made in Thailand. I really dig this little elephant that I've seen on most Matchbox mainline cars. It's really cute. Anyway, time to give it a roll. I mean, it does roll. This is not a problem with mainline cars. But something to note is that it's kind of loud. It has that like empty feel to it. It has an empty sound to it. maybe because of the design of the like body, or like the wheel touching the axles or whatever, the contact points. It just sounds very, very hollow. Right, next point, we take a look at the weight of the car. It is 33.93 grams. Not particularly heavy compared to recent Matchbox mainline that we have unboxed. The Phil wagon, this is about 40 grams, and something Hot Wheels side, this is like El Camino. They're about the same size, but they are about the same size, but these are heavier, so this does feel light. But it's not so light that you like comment about it, but when measured objectively, it does feel light for the car class. Right, at the end here, let's take a look at the car on a turntable, just so you can see the car in detail. Right, thank you so much for joining me for this sharing session. If there's any cars that you want to see, or maybe you have this car in real life, please do leave it down in the comments. And yeah, we'll talk soon. Bye bye.